clinical questions. Medicine happens to be a favorite of many of the students, and medicine is a major subject. Bulk of the questions you get in medicine or different specialties of medicine, very interesting subjects. And here I will be giving you a specific question, and we will be discussing how to arrive at the diagnosis or how to answer the questions in medicine as far as your recent terms in NEET PG and FMGE are concerned. So the question reads over here: a 64-year-old female with weight loss in left supraclavicular lymphadenopathy has acanthosis nigricans. Most likely the patient has. The options given are bronchogenic carcinoma, the breast CA, the bronchial adenoma, and the gastric carcinoma. Now, I will emphasize on the students to go through main standard textbooks. There are no shortcuts to success. I would recommend Harrison's, Davidson's as very important books and good books for medicine. Now, this is a very easy type of question, a level A question. Now go through the lines of the question. 64-year-old female with weight loss. Weight loss might be a subtle symptom, but it is important. And left supraclavicular lymphadenopathy has acanthosis nigricans. So here there's a combination of things. Acanthosis nigricans is a dermatological condition, and you have to be very well aware of minor subjects as well. Association of minor subjects with major subjects. Most likely the patient has. So you can have a clinical condition which may be associated with multiple things. So that's important. Most likely is important. So 4 options are given: bronchogenic CA, breast CA, bronchial adenoma, and gastric carcinoma. Now, if we go through this thing, weight loss and left supraclavicular lymphadenopathy. So this female has got weight loss, and weight loss can be malignancies. Most of these are conditions which are either benign or malignant. So weight loss is more in favor of a malignant condition rather than a benign condition. So bronchial adenoma would be a least likely possibility, because we have got carcinoma, carcinoma, carcinoma. So we're left with 3 carcinomas: bronchogenic CA, the breast CA, and the gastric carcinoma. Out of these, the left supraclavicular lymphadenopathy, we have got weight loss, nausea, anorexia, jaundice, ascites, and obstruction in the form of vomiting in case of gastric cancers. So left supraclavicular adenopathy is a more classic feature of a gastric cancer. And the pathological subtype which is common is the gastric adenocarcinoma. So my first feeling goes towards gastric carcinoma, but you have to remember this acanthosis nigricans. The most important point over here is this thing: the acanthosis nigricans. And as far as your basic knowledge of dermatology is concerned, you know that acanthosis nigricans is a paraneoplastic manifestation. It is a cutaneous manifestation of an underlying malignancy. And you have to remember, acanthosis nigricans presents itself in the form of dark, thick, velvety patches on the back, on the neck, anywhere, but especially in the creases and folds of the body. So you can be having the patches in the axilla or the inguinal region, but they may be present anywhere in the body. But a predilection towards the creases and the folds is important: the axillary fold and the inguinal fold. And the classic thing about it is these lesions are pigmented, and pathologically they present with hyperkeratosis and papillomatosis. That's important. So you have to remember that the acanthosis nigricans lesions are classically present with many malignancies, but the most common association is with the gastric adenocarcinoma. Though acanthosis nigricans can also be present with prostatic cancer, it can also be present with breast cancer, it can be present with ovarian cancers, and sometimes lymphomas. and out of the options given here, it is the gastric adenocarcinoma, which is the most common association with acanthosis nigricans. So the catch is that weight loss, left supraclavicular adenopathology, and the most likely association of a cancer with acanthosis nigricans, and that is the gastric carcinoma. The correct option out of the 4 is the gastric adenocarcinoma. So we have to remember acanthosis nigricans. It is also associated with impaired glucose tolerance, diabetes mellitus in many cases. But here the association of this dermatological condition with the malignancies is concerned. So this is a question which falls into multiple fields: oncology, gastroenterology, general medicine. So this is the beauty about medicine, but the thing is that your concepts need to be pure, your concepts need to be very nice, and then you can answer any question, just can qualify any examination which you encounter. Thanks a lot.